most of the people do use iPhone but don't know how to use Facebook on iPhone without any cost. Like, it's totally free. So I'm talking about the basic mode, and which we can get in Android phone. And so if we want to use Facebook or Messenger in iPhone, that time we need to have megabyte or Wi-Fi or data, whatever you call. So today I will show you guys that how to use Facebook on iPhone without any megabyte or Wi-Fi or data. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to install Google app from the App Store. I repeat, Google app, not Chrome or Safari. So first of all, go to the App Store and search for Google, and then make sure that you have installed the app. So I have installed the. Okay, so now let's go to Google and go to the search bar and type for facebook.com. Okay, and then search. Then you will see an interface like this, and here type your account and password. Okay, so here it is. Now you can see I'm using basic mode on Facebook. So yes, this is basic mode. So that was a simple trick, and I hope that this video have helped you, and especially the Bengali people. So just put a like button and do subscribe, and thank you for watching.